Hello, Andy Johnson here. I am your learning guide for Special Ed 514 Literacy Methods. We are, Dr. Cornelius and I are going to be switching off every other week, so I will see you in the second week. But just because it's a week off does not mean that we do not have class. Online class is not a vacation, so I would heartily encourage you not to take the week off. This type of format requires that you be very disciplined with your time. I would heartily recommend that you set aside a time every day to do your reading for this class and or view the lectures. You are responsible for everything that I post here or all video lectures contained herein. So I'm trying to scare you a little bit, but it's not a scare. It is reality in this new world. So I beg you, do yourself a favor, stay disciplined, stay up to date, do not get behind. Was that enough? Good. All right. See the purpose statement, required text. If you have not got it already, you can get it from Amazon.com in a couple days if you need to. The only silly question is the one not asked. So you'll find that I respond to email questions pretty gosh darn quickly 24/7. And again, stay engaged. Set aside time. You cannot expect to read this stuff and review notes the night before an exam. Here are the point values, and we'll be going over each one of these in just a minute. And you see the course schedule. Everything is laid out. Week number 1 is an online class with me. That means on September 4th, I will see you online, so on, so on, so on. So I've highlighted to make it very visually appealing. Weeks 3, 6, 9, and 12, there will be an exam, 30 points each, and finals week, a really big exam, 40 points each. Exams based on the material, reading material, and material found in lectures and class activities and online lectures as well. These are true, false, multiple choice. There are 30 questions or 40 questions in the test, and they are generated from a test bank of 150 to 200 questions, so they're randomly generated. Students can take the test up to 3 times, and I usually have a 2 or 3 day window, so I encourage you to take the test, review, study, take it, review, study, take it, review, study. You don't have to, but I would really recommend that you do. D2L will automatically record your highest score. And then finals week, of course, is the really big exam worth 40 points. Most people who are successful organize their notes before. You can't expect to be taking the test and leafing through the book or your notes. Organize the notes using 10-point font so that they can quickly see. People that fail don't read the text or try to think they'll just look up the answer, and I don't want you to fail. I want you to be successful. We'll be going over the individual assignments as they are encountered. The other thing is possible Dropbox activities. You already have your week 1 Dropbox activity. During the semester, I may ask you to respond to lectures, demonstrate strategies, etc. And by the way, I can see exactly who is watching what and viewing what and downloading what and how much on D2L from my end. So I can tell who is looking at the lectures and who is not. So if sometimes people make a case for wanting a higher grade, the first thing I do is I go back and say, well, has this person been keeping up with the reading? Has this person been viewing the lectures? And if not, I do not give them the benefit of the doubt. So I want you to get good grades in here, but you have to work with me here. Your first Dropbox activity is already on D2L, so you could actually have that done before you start class. All right, that's it. I look forward to our journey together, and please review this syllabus, and I am open to any questions.